Okay, let's talk about this week's woodworking project. This is actually like my third time recording this audio because apparently I forgot how to use my recorder. Anyways, I digress. So this week's project, I'm working on a clamp hanging, I wouldn't call it a system, it's just something to hang some clamps up. I recently purchased some for some future woodworking projects and I had them just sitting on the ground, which not my style, but secondly it just takes up too much space and you're likely to hit your foot whenever you walk past them. So I wanted a very simplistic style, although you can easily go online or even find a woodworking YouTuber that can get free plans for mostly any clamping system. Overall, I wanted something very quick and easy, something that I could just do in a few minutes, and this has worked out well. Additionally, another thing I wanted to do is work on using a French Cleat system. I recently came across it, and although it's quite simplistic, it seems perfect for most hanging applications that aren't super weight dependent. That doesn't make sense. Basically what I'm saying is that if there's not a lot of weight, the French Cleat system would work. And so also this was just me trying to attempt to do it, primarily because I'd never done it and my woodworking skills aren't very good. Overall, I'm happy with the way it came out. I think it could have definitely been by far a lot better. There's a lot of things I would change. The angle of the clamps and the way they hang, almost want to pull the French Cleat out. I'm not a big fan of that. And also adding a piece so that there isn't such an overhang and there isn't such a big pull from the clamps and gravity to pull out the French Cleat. What I'm basically saying is I think I wouldn't recommend you attempting this, but I would definitely recommend trying to modify this simple design if you wanted to do something along these lines. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. See you guys next time.